What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am sitting in a hot car trying to film an intro. So we are outside of IKEA and we are going to do a nursery tour and maybe get a couple plants while we're here. So we're just gonna get right into the video because people are looking at me weird. So I'm gonna go. What are you looking at? Oh, more aloes. Yeah, there's different types of aloes. This is so succulent. I'm pretty sure these are still aloes. Look at this adorable little succulent. How cute is that? So all these little succulents are $4.99, which is not bad. Oh, these ones are cool too. Yeah, I'm not a big succulent person because I tend to overwater my plants. But I think they're super neat. Grow ends! These are my favorite plants. Let's see, we have a price anywhere. Looks like the price is missing. Wow, look, they're very yellow here. Look at that. I got a bunch of them here. The ones in there more look a little better. I can't put it down. Yes, this is a nice plant. Oh my gosh, they have little pineapples. I love little pineapple plants. And orchids. These are all my favorite plants here. That's a Sansevieria. I told you there's so many variants. Look, doesn't it say? Sansevieria. Aren't those cool?
It's not even olive, it's like
Yeah, they have a lot of different types. Those are cool. I do love Sansevierias. Oh look, and then these ones are nice and little. That's so cool. Look, I love orchids. The orchids have the same requirements as the carnivorous plants, as the Nepenthes. But they keep them in the same sphagnum moss. It would do great in our bedroom. We have more Sansevierias. Oh, we love these. How beautiful is that? I have one of these at home. It's not in such a big pot though. Oh, it was one of these. Look at that. Wow, this one looks really good. Maybe we need another. Just kidding. Mine's not too happy at home. We gotta figure out what its deal is. I've never really worked with a lot of bonsais. But these are cool plants. Those are for the ginseng. That's for the big ones, I think. Aww, they're so cute. beautiful are those? I've never seen a cactus like that. Back to crotons. Mine's finally starting to grow. So let's see how mine does at home. Smile. Look, big plants. Ooh, we're at the big plant. We love big plants. I want one of these. Can we get one of these? Like, how cool is this? Can we pull this one out so I can look at it? Wow, what a fun plant. I'm so down for it. The only thing is we'd have to raise it off the ground. Oh. We couldn't leave it on the ground or it'd get dug out in like a minute. Wow.
Another big plants back there.
Yeah. We can get a succulent for only $5. Look, how cool are these? I've never seen something like this before. Do I look like a tourist? That's the fact that I'm so fascinated with reporting these plants. I've never seen a plant before. Like, what? How cool is that? Sansevieria, we love you. That's my favorite. But like, what? Can I get in it? What is this crazy contraption? It's so cool. What? Oh, it's behind it. Rescue. That'll be my new title. Plant rescue. Look, I had one of these plants before and it died. So, I'm scared to own it again. I'm still here for a big pothos. Look, some of these Sansevierias already have pups coming up. That's a whole pup. I like that. We love Sansevierias. Oh, look, it's got a little pup. Now I'm all dirty. We love crotons. I want an orchid. It's like the only flower I really like. I don't know why. They're kind of like, I don't know. They're just super cool. Look, do you want a pineapple? Look, these are awesome. Cool. You like the cacti like this? One day I want to start you a succulent garden. I know you like succulents a lot. Wait, can you grab our plant? It's sitting there. I don't want anyone to grab it on the way back. Oh my gosh, look at these little sansevierias. Ah, what? They're only $3.99. Ah, look how cute that is.
So let's look at how to grow into this.
That is so cute, the little sansevierias. Wait, I'll put these like all over the house.
Split them up.
Yeah. That is adorable. And look, baby orchids. Oh, you know I love a good orchid. We got our plant for the snakes. Yeah, you know, those are a good sansevieria to put for Lola because she needs the support, you know? Look, they got a big sansevieria over here. These fiddle leaf figs.
How to grow big Newtons.
Big Newtons? Yep, pre-packaged and everything. Look, if you want to sit there and propagate a lot of sansevierias, that's what you got to do. Buy a big one, you could separate all the pups, and then some of the leaves you just cut down and leaf propagate. Yay, let's take our plant.